8 minus 2 times 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is just 6, and again, we have 8 minus 2. So we have 6 times 6, which equals 36. But this answer is incorrect. The reason is that there is a fixed set of rules in math called the order of operations, commonly known as PEMDAS in some countries, or BODMAS in some other countries, but they mean the same thing. In this rule, the letters P or B stand for parentheses or brackets, E or O stands for exponents or order, M and D stand for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. First, we have to solve for parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and a parenthesis. Since parenthesis has higher priority than other operations, first we have to do the parenthesis, not the subtraction. After this parenthesis, we have to do the multiplication, and finally, we have to do the subtraction. So first, inside the parenthesis, we have 8 minus 2, which equals 6, so we have 8 minus 2 times 6. Now, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. Here, multiplication comes before subtraction. So in this step, we have to do the multiplication. 2 times 6 gives us 12. So we have 8 minus 12, which equals minus 4. That means our final answer to this problem is minus 4.